Today we will be testing the Supertrend AI clustering indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Supertrend AI clustering indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That strategy is the Z-score probability indicator with the Academy of Forex indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, and I'll link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. You can just click on that thumbnail. It'll take you straight to the video. You can watch that strategy there, which is the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 933 indicators, with 387 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Supertrend AI clustering indicator. So from the source video, it claims that this is the most insane super trend strategy and the most profitable super trend strategy and so on. And so the indicator that we are using, like I said, is the Supertrend AI clustering indicator. You can see it here on screen. If you're interested in more information on that indicator, you can always click the link down below and visit the indicators page. The settings, we did make one change to it here. So the historical bar calculation, we did change that to 5,000, just so that way it loads a little bit cleaner on screen. And we turned off the show dashboard check there, so that way there's typically a little black box right here that gives you some information about the historical trades and so on with this indicator. And so like I said, we went ahead and clicked that off, and it gives you this here on screen. And so the setup on this is going to be pretty easy. It's basically a super trend indicator, as the name implies, a modified super trend indicator. And so like the regular super trend indicator, what we're looking for is when we get a green tag like this, we are going to go long. When we get a red tag like this, we are going to go short. So that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that red tag right here, and we get a nice push to the downside, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the second signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get a green tag right here. We get a nice push to the upside here, and that does get us to our take profit as well. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Give this scroll back. Alright, so let's go ahead and count it out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 trades altogether in the 1 year's time, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, seems like a pretty solid indicator. 10 trades within the 1 year's time is an okay number. Typically you want somewhere around 15 to 20, somewhere in that area, but we could do with 10, and it did so with a pretty decent win rate. And so, like I said, all in all, a solid indicator. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.